Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at drop 2 diminished passing chord. Okay, I want to break down few tricks that will make you a pro instantly. Okay, so without much ado, go nowhere. Okay, so we are in the key of F. Okay, so the first passing chord I want to show you is this particular chord. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing the D, I'm doing the A flat, I'm doing the B, I'm doing the F. Okay, then I'm doing this, I'm doing the C sharp, right hand is doing the G, B flat and E. Then I'm doing the B flat, right hand is doing the E, G and C sharp. Then this particular one, I'm doing the B, right hand is doing the F, G sharp, D. Okay, then we come to this, we already know this chord. Okay, then to the 6. Okay, so all that I showed you is a passing chord to the 6th chord. Okay, so let's check how it sounds, then we'll apply it to a local song so that you get a feel of what I'm talking about or what I'm teaching for today. Okay, so let's check what I'm doing. Okay, I hope you got that. Okay, so let's go slowly. Alright, I hope you got that. So let's take a simple chord, a simple song. Okay, so Yehovah. Okay, Yehovah. Let's take this song, Yehovah. Okay, so that song, Yehovah. One more time. Yehovah, 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 Odin Yekesio, Yehovah, Yehovah, Yehovah. Okay, I hope you got that. Okay, so that's the place where you apply this particular passing chord into. Okay, so let's check the additional stuff that I did. From here I did this. Okay, so this thing, I already know that I'm approaching the 4 chord, which is the Fa. So what can I do? Okay, this is what you have to ask yourself. You are approaching the 4 chord, the Fa chord. What can you play in order to end on the Fa chord? So I chose to do this. Okay, just basically simple chords. Okay, so that is La, So, Fa. Okay, basically if I'm breaking it down. Okay, so I'm doing the A and F, then G and E, then I did this F and D. Okay, then I hit the Fa chord on the left. Okay, so Fa, Do, Fa, then to the 3. Okay, then I use the passing chord I taught you. already know that from here we are going to the 6th chord, but I didn't want to play this, okay, even though it's nice, okay, playing simple is nice, but sometimes you have to spice things up a little bit. That's why I'm showing you all these things, so that you can use it in your play anytime you are playing, okay. So what I did was, okay, so that's one of the importance of sustain pedals, okay. You need to have sustain pedals, otherwise your sound will be giving a different vibe to what you are playing, okay. You will not get a feel of it, okay. So right now I'm using a sustain pedal, you could see, okay. So I'm sustaining it, okay. Okay, so like I said, the song after the 3, it was going to the 6th chord. So what could I play? I could play this, it's applicable, but I chose to do a diminished drop 2, okay. So the other time I was showing you the drop 2s, okay. So if you haven't checked that of my videos, kindly go through my page to check all those stuffs, okay, because each day, because I want to teach you more stuff, I don't want situation whereby I will be going ahead of myself teaching you stuff whereby we have to go back again. So each video that I do, I try to break down something similar, so that the next time we meet I will add to what you already know, okay. So that is why, so kindly check my previous videos to get some type of different chords and all that, okay. So like I said, we could do this to the La, but I chose to do a different approach, okay. Then I did this, and we know that we are approaching the Fi, okay. You can use a passing chord. We are going to the So, but you can play a passing chord in between the So, okay. So you can play a Fi, okay, to the So, but I chose to do it this particular way. I did this, alright, okay. So the Fi, I broke it down in different parts. The first one is this, okay. So what is that? I'm doing the Mi, So, Do, okay. Then the left hand is doing the G, the D, and the G. So then, okay, so from the Mi, So, Do, we come to the Re, So, Ti, okay. Then this, okay. So this has the Fi in it, okay. You know the normal Fi is this, but we are altering it, okay. So when you alter it, it will be like this, okay. So this is what I'm doing. I'm doing the F, I'm doing the B, I'm doing the D, okay. Then, okay, then I resolve, okay. You know that this is suspended, okay. So I resolve it, alright. So what is that, okay. Then the left hand will hit the C, G, and C. Right hand is doing the F, G, and C. Then I resolve the F to the E, so that I will make the 5 chord, the So, okay. Then after we sang it the other time, then I did this, okay. So what is that? Let's break it down, okay. So this, so I'm doing this, I'm doing the C sharp and the G, then I will drop it down to the C and the F sharp, like this, okay. Then the left hand will do the E flat and D, then I'll go straight to the flat 5, then 4 over the 5, then I resolve it to the 1, okay. So that's basically what I did, okay. So kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, share the video, comment, okay. I'll see you in another video, okay. Bye.